guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name's Abs and we'll be working on the Ep3 today. Got a steering wheel cover from the title by Demonized. It's gonna be finished on because this thing here is done for, literally scratched up, peeling apart, cracked. So we just went for a simple black Alcantara, red stitching, just something nice, just matching interior because most of it is just black and red. It's going to be more like a little time-lapse video. I'm not going to show you how to do it because each car is individual. But I'm just going to go through like the steps of me doing it. You know, just keeping you updated throughout the whole Ep3 project. If you do like this video, make sure to check out the previous ones as well. I'm working on a car. But yeah, stay tuned. So with the kit, you do get a nice piece of quality Alcantara. You do get double-sided tape, a little pry tool, like just squeezing in the little gaps. And obviously the thread itself, decent box, just something standard. But yeah, it's quite simple. So first thing I'm going to do is just wipe it down. After wiping down, I'm going to put the double-sided tape so it has better adhesion, and just like go ham with the tape. So you want it to like stay on, you know what I'm saying? Like, so the steps are very simple. So we're just going to clean it up first, so that when we put the double-sided tape after, it has like proper adhesion. And then after that's done, we're basically going to hammer the tape because we want it to be everywhere, so there's no movement whatsoever. Then stretch the cover over, then start literally stitching on. It's not hard. It is time consuming for your first time, but I've done a few of these on my OBM, done a few customers. But yeah, it's simple. So like I said, not a tutorial, I'm just going to go through it. So let's start by cleaning up and putting tape on. Yo guys, do an update. Hoping the lighting ain't bad and you can see me. Dark, it's like raining out of nowhere. But yeah, put the tape on to the steering wheel. Put some onto the cover as well, like just the little tab bits that I'm gonna go around. Obviously it's different, it's up to how you do it. I just find out this way is slightly easier. I also mentioned the owner, he gave me little tips, so if you are struggling, just message where we bought it from. So now we're just gonna take off the tape, take off the ones on here, stretch it and fit it on. So I'm gonna do that now. Yo guys, here's a little another update. As you can see here, put my light. Yeah, as you can see here, that it's basically in the shape now. You can see where each section is with these little sticky pads. I can like hold it on here, so there's no movement. Then it just allows me to get rid of all the creases, but whatnot. Same here, just nice. Keeps it nice and secure. Then after I can just literally just tuck them into the gaps. But yeah, I think the black and red, simple, but bang. Also, there is like little grooves here, like you can see that little stitching there. It should line up with the stitching underneath, as you can see, but the stitching underneath as well, so just line up to the ones below. So yeah, if you can just about get it lined up like that, it will be a good fitment. So I'm now going to start stitching and give you an update once I've done like a section. Yeah. Yo guys, here's a little update. I've done like one section so far. I'm not sure you can see because of the lighting, but it's come out alright so far. It's quite nice and flush. Feels nice. Obviously not fully done yet, so I have to finish this section. But yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looks nice, you know, I can't lie to you. I like it. Obviously once it's fully done, it looks sick. Proper like racing vibes right now, I can't lie to you. But yeah, when we finish the rest of it, I'm doing more time lapses, do the updates along the way. Also, having one of these tools is sick. It's not recommended, but I love using these. Basically what it does, it allows me to just like tug in between a thread and just pull it from the middle and then just tighten as you go along, because it does slightly loosen. So if you just keep getting tight as you go along, you'll have your thread. And also, when you cut your thread, make sure you have enough, because you don't want to go like 3/4 of the way and run out. It's better to have more than less. And can't lie to you, these little rolls here, it will last you, innit? So just don't be stingy with the thread. Okay, let's continue back with time lapse. Yo guys, here's another little update. It's taking me so long because I'm trying to perfect as we go along. So here's the bottom half done. Obviously I got like a little bit just here I need to fix up. I think by the time I do the top bits, all these little excess bits will just tuck themselves in, and after I'll just clean everything up. But for now, yeah, it's alright, you know. If you want to fully done, I'll see. This definitely needs to be slightly more black, then it will just fit in all together. But yeah man, had to even bang out the ring light for this one. Yo guys, it's the next morning. Wasn't recorded yesterday night, but too dark. But yeah, here's the final product. What do you guys think? It's right. I did mess up slightly on one area, done a little rip, but it's not that noticeable. But yeah, what do you guys think? The black Alcantara, red stitching. Someone told me to get a carbon version of this, and I said nah, I'm not a big fan of it. This looks too much for my liking. But yeah, like I think it come out right, you know. Considering this Type R steering was kind of hard to do. Also, someone did ask me why don't I get a quick release. Kind of value my face. So if I was to crash, quick release ain't really got an airbag, so I ain't really trying to die. We'll see in the future how I feel. But yeah, for now I think this is good enough. But I can't lie, a naughty quick release is calling me. We'll see though, innit? But yeah, I'm kind of happy with the results. Cleans up the interior. All I need to do is change this black soon. Get all of these black. Also, let me know if it's possible to get these in black, or do I have to paint these. I know I'm just going to dye this black because it's in good condition. So yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Check out my old videos if you haven't. It's been your boy Abs. Peace.